So today I'm going to talk to you guys about Nightmare and Whimsical Week. So the go-to app, if you don't have Photoshop at home, you can go to the App Store and search for something called Picsart. It's a totally free app. It looks like this. I've already downloaded it before, so I'm going to hit open, but you do want to download it. What's great about Picsart is that it walks you through step by step on how to edit things, how to make collages. There's all kinds of stickers. There's a lot of things you can do in this free app. There is the option to upgrade if you end up really liking it, and it's definitely worth getting. So I'm going to go ahead and open the app. And when you first open it, it's going to have a bunch of replay recommendations for you. And what's cool about it is it walks you through step by step on how things are done. So if this is like a picture you want to recreate, it'll walk you through step by step. Same thing if I were to kind of like scroll down, if you wanted to do something more on the whimsical side. Let's find something here. And there's all different kinds of things. So if you want to do something whimsical, you would use your own photos in combination with their stickers and some of their backdrops and masking filters in order to create your own art. So Picsart is a really, really great app in the fact that it's definitely for beginners, for people who are just learning how to edit photos. It's a really great app. So if we look at this app a little bit further, what's cool about this app is that there are little challenges that you can participate in, and there's winners every, I believe, week. So for example, there is a challenge on an October calendar. And when you click on it, it gives you the rules for the photography contest, and you obviously use Picsart, and these are kind of all the submissions. So this is just a fun little side thing I wanted to throw out there, because Picsart does offer a lot of really creative things in here. You can connect it with your Facebook, but the main reason I wanted to show you it was its ability to show you from step by step how to do things, how to start with one picture and end up with something completely different. So for example, this kind of like whimsical one here, I guess you could argue that it's kind of whimsical, kind of nightmare, but this one walks you through step by step, and I would highly recommend that you at least try it out for your nightmare or whimsical photos. So if you have any questions, just let me know.